TV. Welcome to TV.
E don settle. Angry Nigerians don start protest for Abuja say pr0t must return Peter Obi stolen mandate. My people, we greet una, welcome una once again to this our channel. Una know say as e dey happen, na so we dey come sama una with ogbonge update. Oya, make we quickly run enter the tori wey we carry come like this. No be small thing o. Some angry Nigerians wey belle no sweet for the election gbege and person wey INEC declare as president-elect don vex enter street so from wetin dem dey talk dem say pr0t wey be the president-elect must return Peter Obi's mandate sharply, no be small. Dem say dem no go rest until the mandate dem return am or dem go cancel the election for another fresh election. Make I leave una, make una watch the video.
In Abuja, have been here for the last 41 days, standing, demonstrating friendly and peace, and holding to account government agencies and institutions and individuals who are bent on making sure that we do not enjoy our democratic dividends. We have been, as a matter of fact, protesting and holding to account with demands that says that the chairman of INEC must be sacked, prosecuted and jailed in Nigeria because of the flagrant flaunting of the rules and regulations and laws, especially the electoral law of 2022 that ensures a transition, a procedure of which and how this election of the 25th of February should be carried out. And in regards to that, we're asking that either an outright cancellation or a return of our mandate which specifies the results that is in the IREV as stipulated in the guidelines of the 2022 electoral rules and regulation and the law that was signed into law, the bill that was signed by President Muhammadu Buhari. We're also asking because we have seen a violation of our people across board. We are completely apolitical. We're not here on behalf of any political party. We're not here on behalf of any religious group. We're not here on behalf of any region. We're here in solidarity with labor union, which ensures the rights and privileges of workers. Workers are supposed to be the people that would ensure that families and institutions of life and rights and privileges of people are upheld. But today in Nigeria, look at workers going about like they are useless people who can't even take care of their homes. And so today we are standing in solidarity that what is required, even as concerning minimum wage, should be paid. Yes. We are saying that our workers are not given due advantage, that they are not being paid commensurate to the work they are doing. Yes. This is why we are out in solidarity with labor. This is why we're asking for good government. Yes. Because with good leadership, our labor will be paid well. Yes. We'll have dignity of labor. Yes. This is why we have been out for the last 41 days. And to say that what is going on in Nigeria is not correct. Yes. All over the world, you will see that people who are working, they have good living condition, they have good housing allowance. But here in Nigeria, only those in the National Assembly, they will have all the monies that are supposed to come to our workers. Yes. And so we are taking our demonstration to them. How can the people make law and break it? Is that right? No. We have parents who have been working who can't send their children to school. We have parents who have been working who cannot feed their families. Is that the dignity of working? No. Is that the dignity of labor? No. And so we say no to every suppression. Yes. We say no to every subjugation. Yes. We say no to every barbarism and every leadership that does not consider what should be due to labor and workers. Yes. Because labor means hard work. Yes. It is about the dignity that builds the foundation of a nation. Without the values that holds together labor, we will crumble as a nation. Yes. Look at what is happening out in Sudan. Look at the Arab Springs. And we speak to the international community. Should anything happen to Nigeria, the body weight that will greet your borders, Africa cannot handle it. the world cannot handle it.
Yes.
And so we will not watch our nation crumble. This is why we're here. What is happening all across here is labor in conjunction with all civil society, all NGOs, all support groups, all youth groups, all angry people to stand and ensure that we have what we want.
My people, not be small thing o. These people dey serious o, not be small. INEC don enter one chance for their hand. They say they don INEC rob them of their mandate. Say make they return their mandate back to them. And na be their demand o. Say they need their mandate back or they run another election, another fresh election. Na wetin they dey demand for this their protest so. Anyway, my people, na the tori wey say make we come sama una like this be this so. Make una drop una comment how una reason this whole matter. Make una no forget to like and share this our video. Una do well. See you all in our next video. Bye.
DJ ATV.